Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's just start off. My mic was not plugged in properly, so therefore my audio is not existent for like the first 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover. So I do apologize. I don't know what happened, y'all. It just happens sometimes. So I'm starting off with a 2-minute reconstruction protein treatment from Fuji. I love using this in between my protein treatments, especially if I don't have time. It works really well and it smells so good. It doesn't smell like the 2-step one, which I love. And then I go in with a balancing moisturizer, you guys. This brings my pH back to reset. It brings the balancing back to my hair. It is an amazing product. If you want to use it without the Fuji, you could use it as well. I recommend this as a good wash on conditioner if you guys don't have your staples already. I'm also going to clarify my hair today, so I'm going to be using the TPH clarifying shampoo. I'm thoroughly surprised to find this in Canada, and I took a chance and I used it, and Taraji, you did good, because this shampoo cleans my hair really well without stripping it and without drying it, and it also leaves my hair smelling so good. Absolutely love this product. Next, I'm going to shampoo my hair with the HASK Biotin Boost Thickening Shampoo. You guys, I don't need to say anything more other than I use HASK products every single wash day because I absolutely love it. They work so good for my hair and the results are actually showing. My hair is getting thicker, as you guys can see, so did I say more? I just use HASK all the time. So this is how my hair looks like after taking out my U-part wig, y'all. I had it in for about 2 weeks. I strive to wash my hair every week, but because life gets so busy, I stretch it to like a week and a half. So this is where we're at with my hair right now. It looks crazy. I need to wash it, and I'm just really excited to get this wash day started. Alright, so because my hair is so tangled and I haven't combed my hair in about 2 weeks, I'm going in with the pre-poo from HASK. This product, I absolutely love it, but because it's so thick, I find the packaging makes it really hard for you to get the product. As you guys can see, I'm shaking the product and it's so hard to come out, but the product is really good in itself. So once I finally get the product out, I am just putting it all over my hair, and it's so much easier to detangle my hair with this product in. And I use the detangling brush, I believe, to just take out the tangles, and honestly the knots just slip right out. The slip in this product is good. Absolutely love it. Hate the packaging, like I said before, and I just do this for the whole head just to make sure I get all the tangles out because I don't want to lose any more hair, you guys. I'm on the journey of getting back my thickness, my fullness, and my edges all from postpartum, so any way I can reserve my hair, I'm gonna do it. So once my whole head is done, I'm gonna go in with the clarifying shampoo. This is just gonna ensure that my hair is clean, all the product, dirt, and oil is washed away. That way when I do my protein treatment is actually penetrating my hair shaft and not the oils and the product that's on top of my hair. This is with the TPH clarifying shampoo. My hair feels so good. It's not as stripping as other shampoos are, like I said I think previously before, and it smells so good, y'all. It smells really good. So I actually went in with it 2 times. This is my second wash. That's why I got the lather. The first time it wasn't as sudsy because it has so much dirt on it. So the first one is almost like a rinse, and then the second one is like an actual wash. But after I use clarifying shampoo, I always go in with another shampoo, and it has to be hydrating. It can't be another strip-in shampoo. It has to be hydrating because we literally cleanse our scalp and our hair of all the natural oils, and I want to bring back some of that hydration back into our strands. So I'm going to go in with the HASK shampoo and then come back, and then we're going to do the 2-minute constructor protein treatment. I love how my hair feels right now. My scalp feels really clean. My hair feels stripped but not dry, and that's what we want because we want the protein treatment to really penetrate our shaft. So now we're gonna go in with the keratin 2-minute reconstructor. Like I said before, this is a very mild protein treatment. It's not as heavy as a 2-step one. I believe you could use it every week. Let's see. Working me through here. Note for extreme cases. For extreme cases, we leave them for 5 minutes, but if you have severe problems, they recommend the 2-step one. But doesn't say how often you could use it. But I usually use it once a month if I'm like when I'm between bond treatments and protein treatments. This has been my in-between treatment. My roots are so thick and I don't want to perm it because I like the body my hair gets whenever I do, oh, we got a knot. Whenever I do a silk press. So I just leave it and I just try to maintain it as good as I can. There we go. I'm gonna cut my hair just because of this alone. And I'm also very scissor happy. If you guys have not realized, I don't mind cutting my hair. I don't care if it's shorter than I thought it would be. As long as my hair is healthy, I'm good. It doesn't really bother me as much. I do miss my long hair though. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I do miss my long hair. But the length right now is like giving grown woman. But yeah, so. And then the back, hope you guys can see, the back is strictly like, it's basically all just natural at this point. Probably like half an inch at the ends is permed. But I will say the majority of the back is strictly natural. And another thing is, y'all, look at my edges. I don't know if y'all could see it, but my edges, they are growing back. Like I'm so excited. So excited. Like y'all remember I was bald. Like I was skin bald here. You can definitely see my hair is growing back. If you guys want to know the regimen that I did to grow back my edges, let me know down in the comments below. And I'll make a whole video of that for you guys. No problem, because this shows results. This is my hair. Let's see, a couple months ago, I think it was like 3 months ago, I took a picture and this is what it was. If it's wrong, I'll put a correction. And this is how it was, and this is how it is right now, y'all. Crazy. Consistency, y'all. Consistency. All right, guys, we made it. Now we're on to blow drying. I'm gonna use a couple things. Nothing out of the ordinary, but just a little bit more. So you guys know I'm gonna go in with my argan oil smooth and shine blowout cream. This is the best heat protectant I have used in my hair. It works best for me. That's the first thing. Next thing we're gonna go in, just to follow through with the protein treatment, is a Fuji Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer. Love this thing. I had it for like 2 months. I bought it because on TikTok they said it was really good. Bought it, didn't use it, started using it, seen a big difference in my hair. Yeah, I slept on this product for sure. Then I'm gonna go in with the Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. This is gonna help bring the volume to my hair. You're supposed to spray it on your wet hair and use a round brush, so I'm gonna do that. And I also gonna use the number 6 Bond Smoother. You guys, I've had this sample that they gave me when I ordered it for a while. Even though the tube is small, there is a lot in this, okay? So don't underestimate this. So I'm gonna use that. And since I'm doing a silk press, you guys know I'm gonna go with the BioSilk Silk Therapy Original. This thing makes my silk presses look bomb.com. Absolutely good. Love it. I'm in the market for a new blow dryer, but I'm gonna use this because it's what I have, the Baby Bliss Pro. And I'm gonna go in with my Hot Tools brush just to get my hair a little bit more straighter than usual, so that way I don't have to go in with a double pass for the flat iron. So that's all I'm gonna be using. And because my daughter is sleeping, I'm gonna have to do this in the washroom. So the transition here is gonna be wicked because it's gonna be done. 1, 2, 3. This is what it's giving, y'all. It's giving clean, it's giving flowy, it's giving good. Yeah, it's giving body, y'all. It's giving body. I want my hair to have a little bit more body than usual, so I'm gonna be using my T3 flat iron. And I'm not gonna be putting my settings on the high settings. I'm actually gonna put it on a lower setting because this will still keep the kinkiness in my hair, and that's what I want. So this is the T3 Lucia 1.5 inch plate flat iron. I used it on my wig in my last video and I absolutely loved how my hair looked. So I'm gonna add it to my hair regimen, you guys. I actually love having T3 products because they work really well. This is actually my third one. I have a 1 inch and I think a 1.25 inch barrel curling iron, and I have yet to use it. I'm super excited, but yeah, I love this flat iron. It's really good. I usually have mine lit up to 5 lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this time I put it down to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 lights was 350 Fahrenheit, but the 4 lights is 325. I want my hair to be a little bit fuller because I'm not keeping the silk press in for long. I'm actually gonna do a half up, half down hairstyle. So I want to have as much body in my hair as well, but make sure that my edges are slicked down. So I think the 4 light indicator 325 is gonna be perfect for that. So my hair feels really soft and smooth right now because of all of the products that I put in it. It should give me a nice flowing silk press. Fingers crossed. I haven't silk pressed my hair actually in about a month, you guys. Like I told you guys, I'm trying to grow back my edges and the breakage in the middle of my head. So using less heat as possible has been working. So this is going to be my first time I'm using heat in about 4 weeks. So we're going to see how my hair turns out. I'm super excited because I feel like my bob has grown like I told you guys. So I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to cut it shorter regardless because I want to go a little bit shorter. I know y'all going to be like, I'm crazy, but I just want to have that nice short editorial looking bob. Not too short, but not like long as it is now. So that's what I'm going to do. Yo, the breakage in my hair is like crazy, especially in the middle. I don't know what is going on. Look at that. It's crazy. So this is how long it is. If you guys remember, it's definitely grown, but I'm gonna cut it again. Yeah, girl, I'm obsessed with cutting this. I need to focus. Let's get into it. Guys, that was really hard. I don't know if it's because my hair was already short. I'm just cutting off like half an inch. So the hair is not like as long, so you don't have much anchor. But it was hard, y'all. But I think it looks so much better. I love this length. I absolutely love it. I don't think I'm gonna go back to long hair for a while. I just like how easy it is. It just feels so good. Oh, we're gonna have some fun with this hairstyle, girl. We're gonna have some fun. Let me know what you guys think about this length. We definitely can't forget her. Ooh, feels like silk. We have reached the end of another wash day, a successful one at that, if I do say so myself. Let me know what you guys think about my hair and the haircut down in the comments below. And if you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe also, because we'll be having some fun with this length. Yeah, we're gonna flip it, twirl it, put it up, put it down, put it all around. We gonna have fun, okay? We gonna have fun. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Ooh, yo, get into this hairstyle. Get into it. I'm obsessed. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.